Current Affairs, August 26, 2026. By which year is the Bharatiya Antariksha Station targeted for completion? The answer is option C, 2035. Which launch vehicle will be used to launch the first module BAS-1? The answer is option A, LVM-3. How many modules will the fully assembled Bharatiya Antariksha Station have? The answer is option B, 5 modules. At approximately what altitude will the Bharatiya Antariksha Station orbit Earth? The answer is option C, 400 to 450 kilometers. What is the approximate total mass planned for the Bharatiya Antariksha Station? The answer is option D, 52 tons. What is the main purpose of the Kanda Express initiative? The answer is option B, bulk transportation of onions. From which state will the Kanda Express trains primarily originate? The answer is option C, Maharashtra. Which city is identified as the country's largest onion trading hub and the source of Kanda Express trains? The answer is option B, Nasik. Which of the following is not mentioned as a destination of Kanda Express? The answer is option D, Jaipur. What is one of the key objectives of the Kanda Express initiative? The answer is option B, stabilize onion prices. How many new indigenous livestock and dog breeds were recently registered by ICAR? The answer is option C, 16. After the registration of these 16 breeds, what is the total number of registered animal breeds in India? The answer is option C, 262. The newly registered 16 breeds belong to how many species? The answer is option C, 9 species. Which of the following is the newly registered sheep breed native to Assam? The answer is option B, Assomi. Which organization finalized the registration of the 16 new breeds? The answer is option C, Breed Registration Committee of ICAR NBAGR. Who inaugurated Malhar 2026 in New Delhi? The answer is option C, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan. Which organization organized Malhar 2026? The answer is option B, Antar Hriday Connect. What is the primary theme of Malhar 2026? The answer is option C, monsoon themed celebration of Indian classical music. Which two stalwarts of Indian classical art were honored with lifetime felicitations at Malhar 2026? The answer is option B, Pandit Ullas Kashalkar and Pandit Rajendra Gangani. The Malhar family of ragas is traditionally associated with which season? The answer is option D, monsoon. Which team won the 134th Durand Cup? The answer is option C, East Bengal FC. Which team did East Bengal FC defeat in the final? The answer is option B, Bengaluru FC. What was the final score of the 134th Durand Cup? The answer is option B, East Bengal FC 1-0, Bengaluru FC. Where was the final of the Durand Cup held? The answer is option C, Vivekananda Yuba Bharati Kirarangan, Kolkata. In which year was the Durand Cup first played? The answer is option A, 1888.